A man who stand in front of his wife's grave in the beginning of the story, and he was thinking about the misfortune that happened in his life. Once upon a time, there was a girl who was beautiful by her nature, longing for someone in her life almost 2-3 years. The reason she had to wait so long was because she thought she had to achieve her goal as a motivational speaker. After realizing that she is satisfied with her job, tries to meet and expressed her desire to him. He accepted her will without any hesitation because he loved her too. In the beginning of their love, both of them have wonderful moments they can share new experience in their life. At the time, her family find another guy for her and soon they confirmed her marriage. She can't talk anything against of her parents because they did help to fulfill her dream and whatever she want. So she shuttered her mouth in front of them. The preparations for the wedding were all very quick. After the engagement, her lover doesn't call her and never tries to approach her because he also felt that nothing would happen without her consent, so don't bother her anymore. All girls are like this, they can only see the minds of their parents instead of their love. She also betrayed him. Then why he waiting for her? Lost is always a lost. She has only limited time to get in someone else's life, but before that she did not know what to say to the person she loved. There is no hope that anything will go in favor. If she allowed to with him, others what will think? Her family will feel down their heads in the society. Why just put them into such a situation? She does not even allow her companions to bow down. Then how should she allow her parents? Never. Then there are sleepless nights for her. Talk to whom? Who to listen? Who will understood? She could have told her mother if she was there. Her father never saw her mind. Once she went to buy the wedding dress a few days before the marriage. There was also a boy who was going to marry her. He was very happy to see her and asked her, "How are you?" She just had a look on him and there is no answer. On that wedding day, she had no happiness. Once you have lost the life you longed for a lot, you realize how painful it is. Even after marriage, she never spoke to anyone. That night, she called her friend and asked about her lover. That conversations come to the knowledge of her husband. Then they have nothing to do with each other. In fact, he accepts her only because of her character. Once he lost his love, she gives the courage to never give up. But now the situation's totally changed. Her husband heard the buzzing sound of her mobile phone when she was in the wardrobe. He immediately stole the number he saw on the display from her to his phone and went out. And he makes a chance to talk to her friend. The first question that came to his mind when he heard about her love was whether a woman would love a man so much. It's nice to hear talk about love and sincerity, but it hurts a lot to know that the girl who came into his life was someone else. He wants to talk to her about his love towards her, but he can't. There he failed to understand his wife because she had a real love to him. He totally admired the sincerity of her in love, but heard something more. 2-3 days later, the two friends were met each other. Then she asked, "Did your husband say anything?" "I have never even looked straight at his face." "Then how are we going to talk?" "There is no way. He asked about you and your problems." Occasionally, she had to say everything to him. And he feels too bad in the beginning. Just try to convince him. This is your life. Try to understand. Things never going to better with your love. Now you enter into someone else's life, so have to adjust with him. But her friend's opinion was beyond her comprehension. The only problem she had was that life was not with the person she loved. As the days passed, she began to feel that her friend's words really true. If again think about the past, everyone's happiness will be lost. So try to start a good rapport with her husband. She makes some new changes in her behavior to him, but he knows everything was temporary in life instead of birth and death. Once, one of his friends asked to him, "How's your life?" He says, "I'm entirely happy," and also, he thinks, "I'm one of the luckiest persons in this world," but now she can find his mind who is happy her. He just tries to hide his feelings in front of others. She knows that even some difficulties in life lost everyone's happiness. Why it was so? She wondered if he would understand me once I spoke to him. Things does not go as planned. It was the time for him to go back after work leave. As an army officer, he got only limited days to stay with his family. After that, he went for his job. She passes every day longing for him to return. She has no number to call and talk to him. She doesn't know why those days goes like years. So finally, the day she had been waiting for him came, and she was ready to propose to him with a lot of expectations. On that day, she waited for him on the second floor of the house. When he reaches, as soon as they're at first, he wants to meet her. When she was looking outside, unexpectedly heard a male coughing sound behind of her. She has a wish of pulling her shirt collar and tell him, "I want to live with you." But things will happen once again. Without any sympathy and asking anything, he gave the divorce notice in her hand with a gently laugh. She was totally broken. He never saw the sweating of her eyes. Her eyes only look on him and doesn't saw anything else except him. On that night, everyone has a lunch together except her. She thought about her dad failed in relationship, and without any other way out, she committed suicide. When he came to the washroom after the dinner, they can see his wife lying on the floor with blood because she cut her. Totally, he gets shocked and submerged under pressure. He asks to her, "Why did you do so?" "Because you don't love me and I'm unlucky in relationships, so." "Now, did you call me with love?" she asked. He says, "Hey, when you read the letter, you can find how much I loved you. That is not this. I can't move away from you because truly I fall in love with you." He carrying her with a hug. Soon he brings her in a hospital. During this drive, he crying along with her. She was admitted in the ICU. When he looks inside the ICU only, he can see her final sighing. Then he sat down on his knees in the hospital floor with a broken mind and tearful eyes. He left the graveyard and go to his home with memories of her.